Hey guys, what's up? We are at the Boot gas station, Draxhall, St. Anne's, and I want to show you a couple of new places we got on that gas station. Saka Express Chinese restaurant and coffee shop by the side. Looks nice and cozy. Danny, come. Where is he? Oh. What does it says? Oh, you know, you can rub it. You can rub it and maybe you can get rich. Maybe. What do they have here? As a... Oh, I see seafood. Normal menu. What you see in pretty much everywhere. And they have a... Probably they have a bubble tea. Because we see them tea storage, what them call it, thermos, like, yeah, whatever them call them. I go ask the lady, come on, some bubble tea, no? Hello, man, so do you have bubble tea? Boba tea? Oh, okay, so yeah, those are the prices. Okay. They have pretty good variety of
Do they have
stuff.
bubble tea?
And they have some sides as
Mama,
well.
do they have bubble tea?
Yes, they have bubble tea. Don't you see it? Where this milk tea? It's a milk tea for 650. Yes. So I'm gonna go show you a little bit of what is going on. What did you buy? You didn't buy nothing yet? So, how the buffet look to you? How the buffet looks to you? It's like regular restaurant, Jamaican restaurant. Yeah. But it says Chinese restaurant. Oh, they have fried rice. Oh, I like this. You know where I'm gonna snap you guys? Here. I love it. Yeah, you need to take a picture. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Okay.
So this is bubble tea.
Yeah. And this boba. Where is boba? May I have boba? Yes, you know boba. Okay. That's it.
What taste is this?
I'm gonna taste it first. How does it taste? Let me try. Hey, let me try them. Oh, it's something else? I like it. But it doesn't have no bubbles. Something else. But I like the taste. It's original. Original taste. You know, this is the most closest version of milk tea to the Asian one when I used to live in Vietnam. That's how the bubble tea used to taste. Love it. I really like the place. It's a nice chill spot. They have tall windows. Tall. What's going on here? He wants change. Hey boy. Drink your bubble tea. See there? Drink your bubble tea. Hold it good. See guys, bubble tea make everything nice. Everything is nice. Oh. And outside you can see the road. Yes, this is St. Anne Parish. We're in St. Anne Parish. Very nice place to live. People call it countryside, but I don't call it so. We pretty much have whole heap of things. And a country. Maybe when it comes to nature, yeah, countryside, because we have a whole heap of nature. So, yeah guys, may I go get some fried rice. Yeah man, some fried rice. So I'm getting roast chicken. Yeah. Yep. They like curry shrimp. You gonna eat it?
No.
It's like curry. It's not shrimp fried rice. So that's gonna be it. Mommy lipstick all over your face, see? Mila, mommy lipstick all over your face. Come here. Let me rub it out. Wait. Come, let me rub it out. You know what? Ocha, mommy lipstick all over Mila's face. Come, let me rub it. Yeah, we were given a card. So when you purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drinks, you can get this cup on me for free. Yeah, you can get the drink number 8 for free. Yeah, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8. Number 8. Oh, pick it up, please. Yeah, man, guys. So if you purchase 7 drinks, you can get a free drink.
It's swaggy. Looking like 12 years old. And she likes to look.
Hey, you want a picture here? Do you know that place? That's where Jesus was born. Not here, but in a similar environment. Jesus was born here. Now look a bungalow. And built by the stage. Yeah. In a island village. Yeah, man. I just want to show you what one people them open a new place on the same island village. Them open pizza place. Huh?
Let's go here.
Let's go check what's up. I can smell
Pizza, please. Is that
something nice from over. Yeah.
Pizza, please.
Alright? Yeah, man.
So this is where you get pizza.
Oh, mommy's done here.
Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Alright. So, I really love the pizza. Oh, barbecue fish fillet. Here. You want something? You don't want nothing? Oh, come. How come you don't want nothing? I really want something? Huh? You have fish today? Oh, yeah, let me see the barbecue fish, right? Yeah. You want barbecue fish? I really like barbecue chicken. Tastes good. Barbecue chicken tastes good. My Parmesan cheese is nice. I like the dough tastes good. It's freshly baked, guys. Freshly baked. You mind? It's a nice place. Come check it out. Guys, and I was given a card as well. So with my third purchase, I can get one free slice. Oh, I can get one free slice though, don't it?
Oh, so you can get it today. You can get it
Yay!
today.
Alright. Now get free slice, guys.
What are they getting?
I'm getting barbecue chicken and jerk chicken pizza.
Alright, let me see.
What are you getting? Are you not getting nothing?
Yeah, I'm bad for business. I'm always on diet.
You're not getting nothing?
No, I can't eat this too much. Too much or too much.
Come on. What you want to buy? Come on, let's go. Now give him the money.
I have money.
Mila. Mila. You sure she not eat nothing? What? Should I pick up something? Take something out of her hand. Something. Let's throw it away. Yeah, should I pick up beer trash?
No, put it down if you pick up trash and forget.
Done it with the money plan. Done it with the money plan. Yeah.
If you didn't drop me in the water, what's gonna happen? Then if you drop me in the water, what are you gonna say?
I said, John, no start.
And don't put your fingers in the mouth.
Water. And then what if you want to drink water? You want to be a mermaid.
She don't know better. Sorry guys, this time I am not feeding you with pizza. They would have shelled it. They would have eat it. They are surely would eat it. They are up. They are up for eat something.
She might drop on the board.
You say, where am I defending?
So guys, so they decided to surprise my body. Too much KFC, too much Christmas cakes, too much fried dumplings, too much of them stuff that is not really beneficial to my body. Alright, so today I surprised my body with iron. I surprised my body with iron. And I'm cooking. Today I cook some kalaloo. Me giving my body a vitamin bomb. So you see, I have bump on my face. That is not a good sign. That means that I am not eating right. Every time that happens, you know my body is intoxicated. I need something to boost my body, to boost my vitamin level. I don't know if it's I'm taking prenatal vitamins, but you know, taking vitamins and eating good, eating clean are two different things, you know, guys. Don't get it twisted. Even if you take 100 vitamins, a doctor tell me no, that advice, a dietitian, what them people call them, doctors who nutrition doctor told me, even if you take lots of vitamins, there's in pills, there's no guarantee that your body is consuming them. You see, when you eat clean, when you eat vegetables, when you eat fruits, when you eat food that contains those vitamins, your body soaks the vitamins better in its system than when you take all the vitamins in a pills here. Sometimes the body just process them and just release them, and it continues again and again. Because you know, I kind of study eating habits. Since my mom came to Jamaica, I had to do that, because my mom, she was so brainwashed by the wrong doctor. She was brainwashed. She was afraid to eat a lot of food, and I don't know why she did not learn. She did not Google first thing first. May I go Google things, you know? May I try to educate myself too. Me not put my hope only in a no doctor. Yeah, if a doctor good, I take the doctor advices, but I still myself going to Google stuff, you know, just to make sure the doctor not tell you foolishness, you know. That's a mistake. So my mother was brainwashed by the wrong doctor, and if you if you watched my channel, you saw what condition my mom came to Jamaica in, just because she buck up on the wrong doctor. She went to the wrong doctor, and the doctor scared her to death. The doctor told her if she's going to eat this and that, and the doctor minimized her food options, like minimized her food options badly. So the lady was afraid to eat. You see? And I told my mom, and I tried my best to feed her. And I told her as well, she should feed herself, because you have to take care of yourself. You can't force nobody. You have to take care of yourself still, okay? Here. Because me, I'm not forcing, no. Your life are your life, my life are my life. And me responsible for my life, you responsible for your life, right? Yeah, so I did try to feed my mom. I still there cook for she and try to introduce her to the Jamaican variety of good food, you know, because Jamaica have a lot of good food. You see, if you're in Jamaica, you can live a very clean life in terms of eating habits, because Jamaica has a lot of options. And I learned that, and when my mom just came, she was like, oh, gluten-free, this free. And I went to the supermarket and I look at those items. They were expensive very expensive. And then I started talk to people. I started take advices from Jamaican people who are in the age when they have to eat clean. When they have diseases, they have no choice. They have choice, but they don't. They don't want to take pills, so instead they eat clean. So those people, they gave me advices on what to eat, what to avoid, and I passed those advices to my mom. So when she came back to Russia, she said, Swaggy, I went to the clinic and I did tests, around tests, and my blood was clean, no sugar in her blood, no high level of sugar in her blood. When she came to Russia from Jamaica, first thing first she did, she went to the hospital, to the clinic to run those tests to check if she have, because she have pre-diabetic. And she said to me, Swaggy, my blood sugar is normal, but I gave her moringa to drink as well. And moringa is amazing thing when you have sugar in your blood. When you have high sugar in your blood, drink moringa. Moringa is going to take you there. Okay, so she been drinking moringa on the regular, and she been eating clean Jamaican foods. So she said to me, I was feeling my best. I was feeling so good when I was in Jamaica. And right now she said, like, she's okay, you know, she have a lot of variety of stuff, but something is missing. So that is a sign. Don't take Jamaica for granted, because Jamaica have a lot of food options. You can also learn from the Rasta people them. Rasta people them are gonna tell you what to eat, what to not eat. If you have those health problems, you stick to Rasta people them. They know their herbs. And they're ready to give you advices, okay? Yeah, so right now, me I give myself an iron bump, and it is going to be a steamed callaloo with vegetables. Cause I feel like my body is in need. My body has a signal me, you know. My body has signal me, says Swaggy, we need something. All my organs them are tell me, Swaggy, we need something other than KFC, other than the sugary stuff, you know. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm still going to eat rice, because you know, I need carbs and breastfeeding, and I just don't. As a breastfeeding mom, I need carbs, so I can't survive on vegetables. I just can't do that. No, I can't survive on vegetables, so I need carbs. Yeah, so this callaloo, this amazing steamed callaloo is going to be an add-in to my plate. Here is that it's going to be in our plate with rice and meat, but it is going to be there, okay? Yeah, this is going to be there. So guys, so my advice to you, you see, right now holiday season are going, so a lot of junk food will be prepared, will be served. Just don't forget about your body. Treat your body same way, alright? Eat some nice nutritious food, because trust me, I notice even your mood changes when you eat cleaner. When you eat clean food, your mood is better. You're in a better mood. So yeah, try your best. I'm not telling you to cut everything and say like, hey, may I have my container with my callaloo. Everybody, me alright. No, treat yourself same way, but don't forget to feed your body with something good for your body. Yeah. Word from Swaggy. I hope I updated you on my mom. She's doing good, you know. She is doing good, but she is surely missing Jamaica badly. Yeah, and I hope in the future I can bring her again to Jamaica and we can be a family again. Here together, live together under one roof. It was good. Plus she's not getting any younger, you know. Hopefully. Yeah, so right now, me and callaloo. Hey guys, see callaloo, steamed callaloo, nicely done. Not done yet. It's a go done, but it's a go done. And when it's a go done, murder, fire. Yeah, surprising my body. Nana, try pear. It's a dry pear. Try it. You said you don't want to eat candy, you want to eat healthy. This is an option when you want to eat healthy. Try it. Instead of candy, healthy people eat fruits. Dry fruits as well. Try it now.
Dry pear?
It's a dry pear, right? You need to taste it. Taste it.
Are you sure?
Taste it.
Ear.
Eh?
It looks like an ear.
Come on, it's just a dry pear.
It's an ear.
Taste it. It's a healthy food option. Since you said you don't want to eat candy bars and cookies, try it. You want your 6-pack, right? That's what people eat when they want 6-pack to remain. Bite into it now?
Bite it, you know.
And tell me how it tastes.
It don't taste good.
It tastes good, you didn't even give it a try.
Shikabooni. I did taste it, but it doesn't taste good.
Try it again. Just chew it. You have to chew it. Put in your mouth. You don't lick it.
I'm not licking it.
Just put in your mouth and chew it. Do it. It's sweet.
No, I don't like it.
Try it again.
It doesn't taste
You want
good.
dry mango?
Mango?
Yeah.
Could I look at? Yeah. I want dry mango.
Here you go, dry mango.
Dry mango? It looks like a chip.
Try it now. What do you mean, fair? This is how healthy people eat.
The skin.
It's not skin. What do you mean? It's just a dry mango. Bite into it, man.
It doesn't.
It tastes so good. Bite. Let's get a bite.
It tastes bad.
Nothing is wrong with it. Jabba, try it. Healthy snack for you. Try it and tell me. Tastes good, huh? The dry mango.
Yeah, cheers, sorry, but not my style. This is uptown people things.
So you are downtown?
Mom, real mango. What it taste like?
So sometimes when it's not a season, what you do?
You should eat.
You just patiently wait on the season. You don't eat nothing.
How often do you think this, bro?
You wanna try
What
pear?
it taste like, but...
Give me back.
I'm going to.
Give it back then.
I'm going to.
Give me this thing back. You don't want it?
Want it, man.
Don't
I'm
force
not scared,
yourself.
but,
Don't force yourself.
Cause yourself enjoy.
No man. Liar, tell them you like it.
I'm not something I like it, but I'm something I'm gonna buy or you eat. But if you give me it, I'm like I'm hungry now.
Go on, it tastes good.
It tastes good, but more than real mango.
You're going like, alright, get a pass. You wanna try pear? See, we have a pear. Take pear. Pear.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. No more sweets, Daniel. Yeah, man. Try pear and tell me what tastes better.
Hey, this thing, you sure don't think I'm healthy?
Yeah, man, it's good. Yeah.
You mess around.
Okay, I'll go. Probably not like it. What pear taste?
You know how much taste.
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Is it sweet? Then
Not
you took the wrong part then.
No, I don't know
'cause-
my fault. I taste something, but in a strong, like, it's like how the mango strong.
yeah.
You never tell me some mango. I couldn't get to disappear.
Mangoes taste like.
Look what Daniel want to nam. What that you want to nam? That's what you want to leave
no,
pan. That's what you want to leave
So
pan.
again, this one was for you, know. I
Eh?
just for you, I'm buy for you, know.
Yeah, thank you.
This is for kids, so.
Yeah, man.
Them eat
He
that?
ate one
Who
already.
ate one already?
Danny.
Next time for you, yeah.
Oh, what that?
You know what it?
No.
Right.
You don't throw things like that. You just put it down and say no thanks.
Could you give me?
Yeah, you don't throw it.
No thanks, Daddy.
Yeah, you don't throw things. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it has to be.
I guess I'm gonna eat this. No,
I know you.